Hello. Today we just finished the painting and testing one multi-size garage door, and it's for our European customer. The machine has more than 36 stations, rolling stand, and we are from LOTOS manufacturer in Wuxi. So I show you the from first part here, the input roller. These three stations make the middle forming. After that we start for side forming to make it two side joint, female and male. This machine drive by chain, and the thickness for material is 1.5 millimeters. This machine can produce different widths of garage doors based on the customer requirements. We make a special spacer bush here, and over there you can see. So once customers want to change the size, it can take it out and put it here to make it smaller or bigger. Our roller has a different spacer bush. You can see one size, two size, 3, 4, and 5. So based on the different size, you can take one of the spacer bush and put it out. One by one, I'll show you. We reach here for electromotor. It's 11 kilowatt, and because the thickness is not so high, it's enough. You can see from inside. I show you. As you can see here, already we finished the both side angle. So now we're finishing by some side rollers here to inside angle, make it 90 degree. You can see they exactly here touching the inside angle of profile. Let me show you the profile, then I will come back again to machine for you. Here, this curve, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just by 4 stations in the first, we do that, and the left part, because it's two sides, should come back, become male and female to join here. You can see one empty slot here. This is the male joint. This is the female. The both side the material is double. Here is double. Here is double. That's why it got more than 30 stations. Complete view of machines. You can see. the end roller stand has some side roller for these parts. Also this one is special for the angle that I just now show you. You can see I move the roller. You check once the material coming inside how it will be forming the angle. So if you have any question for multi-size garage door, you can feel free to contact us. We are really professional to make a manual change and automatic change roller side. Get a whole view of machine from input, and here is our logo or email or website. You can feel free to contact us for any inquiry. Thank you for watching us.